In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel plans on Calendly as a guest, whether a last-minute change has come up, or you simply need to adjust your schedule. Knowing how to manage your appointments on Calendly is essential. Calendly is a popular scheduling tool that makes it easy to book and cancel meetings. But if you're new to the platform, the cancellation process might not be immediately clear. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel an appointment quickly and efficiently, ensuring the host is notified and your schedules are updated. If you don't already have a Calendly account, you can still follow along. But for anyone interested in signing up, you'll find a link in the description below to create an account and make scheduling a breeze. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Gmail inbox or whichever email account you used when booking your appointment. This is important because Calendly sends all confirmation and reminder emails to the email address you used during the booking process. If you can't remember which email you used, check the inbox of the email you most frequently use for scheduling. Once you're in your inbox, locate the invitation email from Calendly. This email will typically have your meeting details in the subject line or body, so it should be easy to spot. If you're having trouble finding it, try searching for the word Calendly in your email search bar. This should pull up all related emails, and you can narrow it down from there. After you've found the email, go ahead and open it. Inside, you'll see all the details of your scheduled appointment, including the date, time, and the person you're meeting with. Now, look closely for the word cancel within the email. Usually this word is hyperlinked, and it will be right next to a link that's specific to your appointment. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the email carefully, as it can sometimes be near the bottom or in a section labeled Manage Your Appointment. Once you've located the cancellation link, go ahead and click on it. This link will take you directly to the Calendly website where you can manage your scheduled event. By clicking the link, you're skipping the need to log into any account or navigate the Calendly website manually, which makes this process much faster and more convenient. Now that you're on the Calendly website, you'll see a page that shows all the details of your appointment. Take a moment to review everything and confirm that it's the correct meeting you want to cancel. This is especially important if you've booked multiple appointments, as you want to be sure you're canceling the right one. Next, you'll have the option to add a message to your cancellation. This step is entirely optional, but it's a nice touch to leave a brief note explaining the reason for your cancellation. It could be as simple as "I need to reschedule" or "an unexpected conflict has come up." Adding a message helps maintain clear communication with the host and shows consideration for their time. After you've reviewed the details and added a message, if you choose to, it's time to confirm the cancellation. Look for the button that says Yes, Cancel, and click on it. By doing this, you're officially canceling the appointment. Calendly will automatically notify the host of the cancellation and update both of your schedules, so there's no need for additional steps on the platform. Once the cancellation is complete, check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Calendly. This email serves as a written record that the appointment has been canceled. It's a good idea to save this email, just in case any confusion arises later. Now, if this is a meeting that's still important to attend, but the timing doesn't work for you, consider rescheduling instead of canceling entirely. Calendly often provides an option to find another available time slot with the host, which can save you the trouble of rebooking from scratch. Finally, if you're canceling close to the scheduled appointment time, it's a good idea to follow up with the host directly, either by email or a quick call. This ensures they're aware of the cancellation, especially if they haven't had a chance to check their notifications yet. It's a small courtesy that can go a long way in maintaining professional relationships. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel an appointment on Calendly as a guest. By following these steps, you can manage your schedule efficiently while keeping clear communication with your host. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.